Hey, good to see ya. Last time we were talking about, I don't know if you were there last time, but we were talking about soy protein isolate. Is soy protein good for you? No, it's terrible, actually. It causes cancer, it shuts down the thyroid, it causes B vitamin deficiencies, it has tons of phytates in it that pull out all types of minerals and other things from your digestive tract, so you can't digest them and you need them because they're nutrients that are important for good health. Good health. I don't know what I was about to say. So soy protein is not so aguda. So one of the reasons we're talking about this is because when we talk about water, which interestingly enough, did you know that 99% of your body is made out of water? I mean, who would have known that? And the way this works is, you know, logically speaking, you don't look at someone or yourself and think, wow, that's some nice water. That's not what we're doing. We're looking at something like ourselves or somebody else and we're saying, well, that's a person. This person has skin and muscle and bone and blood and, other body fluids and structures and organs and glands and things like that. So we're not thinking about all that water, but every cell is made of some solid material and it's mostly filled with water. And every cell is surrounded by water. It's actually a gelatinous kind of a substance. It's not, they've done a lot of research on water and they've found that even water isn't always water. We've always thought of water as being H2O, but it's actually, they've done more research recently. It's not that recent. It's been 20 years, something like that. And they found that a lot of water is H3O or H3O2, or anyway, there's different combinations of the hydrogen and oxygen molecules that aren't just pure H2 and O. So it's not just those atomic bonds that are present in water. So why am I talking about water? Well, you figure if 99% of your body's made out of water, water must be pretty important. Now, when we use, water in our bodies is very important also because we need water to detoxify poisons and toxins. We need it for almost everything, but I don't want to overcomplicate things like I've already done. The thyroid gland over here behind our voice box is really important. And why is it important? Well, there's a lot of reasons why it's important. Every single cell in your body responds to thyroid hormone. If you have an autoimmune disease, it's common that the person also has trouble with their thyroid. And once you get one autoimmune disease, you're about 75% more likely to get a second autoimmune disease, more or less. Not exactly 75%, but more or less 75%. And 90% of the time, when you have one or two of these autoimmune diseases, like, celiac disease or Crohn's disease or diabetes type 1 or rheumatoid arthritis, or there's something called CREST syndrome, CREST syndrome. There's a lot of different autoimmune diseases. There's Hashimoto's thyroiditis, there's Graves' disease. You get the idea. So when you have one of these autoimmune diseases, once you get a second, the chances that your thyroid are working right are very low. So we know that this thyroid thing is really important. One of the main nutrients that supplies the thyroid with its health or raw materials for making the thyroid hormone is something called iodine. Iodine is commonly found in seafood, and there tends to be a lot of problems with seafood, as you know, because of the radiation that there is in the world that wasn't always here in the world just 20 years ago. The main thing I'm talking about would be the Fukushima incident in Japan that we had that was quite a while ago, but it was probably only 15 or 14 or 13 years ago, something like that. My name is Dr. Ilya Skolnikoff. I'm the international award-winning speaker and best-selling author of the Skolnikoff Method, New Medicine for a New You, the Inflammation Solutions Handbook. Talk to you soon.